Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this Blue Snowball, the USB microphone with two versatile pickup patterns and stylish retro design for recording, streaming, and podcasts. It works on PCs as well as Macs. Alright, so right here we have this Snowball. This one comes in several different colors. I happen to have the glossy black. This is a classic studio quality USB microphone which captures studio quality audio for podcasting, YouTube videos, gaming, streaming, Skype calls, music, and popular Snowball USB microphone. So right here is just some of the features that it tells you right here in the back, that the Snowball utilizes two custom mic capsules tuned for legendary Blue broadcasting sound. The simple USB connection lets you plug right into start recording and streaming from amazing quality, so you don't need any software to just plug this one in. It's just a plug and play. Right here says you get perfect sound. Here's the capsule, so let's go ahead and open it up. Box is a little ripped. So first off, you'll see that there is a box inside of a box, and this box here will have the microphone and everything in it. This outer box is just basically a shell. So we're just going to put that to a side, and then we're going to jump into this box right here. This is where all your instructions manual, your microphone, your stand, your cables should all be in here. So the first one here, there's nothing in there. It's just basically to cover and protect the ball itself. Right there you can see the ball. And this is by Blue. And then you've got your stand at the bottom where you'll plug it into an arm or the stand. This is a glossy color. This is the black blue. They also come in white. They come in gray, silver. So this is what the black glossy looks like. And then if you want to use an arm, you can put it in there. This is your plug that you would connect to your computer. Here's your other microphone. So if you want to do podcast, your guests could actually talk from behind here. You got 3 different modes, although I did try all of them, and the number 1, which is more of the cardioid. Then you got your omnidirectional. Some little information on the ball right here. Just says the Blue Snowball. So this has multiple pickup patterns. The cardioid pattern is perfect for recording and streaming, while the Omni puts you in the room for conference calls. Stylish retro design. Record and stream in style with a classic design that looks great on your desktop and on camera. Available in 3 bold colors. So like here in the box, you just lift this up here, and then there is your manual and all your wires. So I'll just pull this one out. It's a little tricky in here. You got to pull it just right or it will not come out. It will actually rip the top of the box. So you just open this up. This has your instructions manual, your cables, as well as your stand. This just says your micro USB. Just gives some information, some warning symptoms, what's included in the box, your 1, 2, 3 steps. Then it just talks about the different modes. So this has a 10 decibel pad, keeps Snowball sounding clear and distortion free on louder voices and instruments. Adjustable desktop stand allows you to position the microphone in relation to the sound source, improving the quality. So it just tells you how to connect it to a computer. It's just USB. So this one here is just plug and play. You don't need no software. Here is the stand that it comes with. You just kind of grab it, screw it in at the bottom, and it is adjustable. You can move it up or back. This is just the standard stand that it comes with. You can purchase a shock mount as well as an arm. But this is what comes with the box. So the Blue Sharpa Companion app, fine-tune your sound with a deep control of Snowball. Manage mic, gain, and more right from your desktop. Plug and play so that it will looks like when you have it all on the stand. And then here is your USB. You just plug in one port to the back of the microphone and the USB port into your computer, whether it's a Mac or a Windows or a Linux, anything that uses a USB. So that's what it looks like. It's a nice little microphone. If you're looking for something that is affordable and that works perfectly, I would definitely say check this one out. This is a really nice one. As you can see, it only moves down and back. It does not move side to side. As you can see, it just moves up and down. So if you wanted to move the opposite directions, I would recommend getting one of those arms and you can move it from side to side, but on this stand it doesn't. So the speaker back here, basically if you're using it like in a podcast mode, they have a microphone on their side. I would definitely say check this one out. If you're looking for something that is affordable and that you want the quality sound, I would say check this Blue Snowball out. It is an awesome microphone.